Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be logging in as a student and seeing my marks for the test I just submitted. So I'll quickly log in as that student. Remember some few tutorials back, I logged in as an admin, created a test, and then in the other tutorial, I logged in as a student and took a test. And in another tutorial, I logged in as a lecturer and marked a test. So now this is the final step wherein the student goes back to see the marks they got for a specific test. So I'll quickly log in and then I'll go to modules. And here I know that I'm only dealing with mathematics grade 10, and I'll go to assessments. Now, if I click on this specific test here, you will see this pops up. Now I can see the test that I just wrote and I can see my mark. Obviously, we agreed that I'm gonna change this to display nicely. And then if I click on this, now you will see the specific results for my test. I can't change this. Because this is fixed based on what the lecturer or what the admin has marked me, right? So now when I'm sitting back home, I can be going through it and reading through it. So I can say, I can come read. How many sides does a triangle have? I told them it's 3, and I see I got 2 points. That means it's correct. And then here, they asked me pick the properties of a circle. I can see that I didn't choose a radius, and I can see the lecturer told me that a circle has a radius. That means now when I'm learning, I can use this as like my corrections to know next time when I answer this question, I must pick a radius as well. And then my favorite shape, I got 2 points for my favorite shape, and he said he also likes triangles. And then the file that I uploaded, I got five marks for it. This is the file that I uploaded. I can also download it again if I just feel like downloading it, but that's my test. Close it. So now here I can only see the solution that I've uploaded. And remember, I can take this test multiple times, right? So I can say take test again. Now it's gonna ask me the same question. I'll say a triangle has 3 sides. And then now I remember the lecturer gave me a correction to this thing. I know that now a circle has a radius. So I'll say there's a radius area and I'll submit. And my favorite shape is still a triangle. Submit. And then my favorite meme, it's still the same meme. I'll submit. Now I'm confirming my answers and then I'll submit. Say yes. Now I've submitted my test, right? So let me quickly log in as a lecturer in the same thing to show you that you can see 2 submissions of one guy. Log out. Lecturer at gmail.com. This is his username and that's his password, and then let's call his test. Log in. Now if I quickly go to modules, click grade 10, assessments, click here. Now you can see John Smith has a second submission, right? So this is his first submission, which was 12 minutes ago. He just submitted again a few seconds ago. Remember, we have a search. So if you want to see all his submissions, you can just click here. Now I can see all his submissions that he has done, right? So I can click on this submission. Now I can see he has actually corrected himself. Remember in the last one, I told him that a circle has a radius. So now he has done well. So I'll give him a 4 point. I'll give him a 2 point for that. And I'll give him a 2 point for that. And I'll give him a 2 point for that. Now I'll say submit. Yes. Now I've given him a score. You can see this score is higher than this score. And now the student will also get a notification to say your test has been marked. Please go into the system to see your results. Now I'll quickly log in as a student and show you that my second test is marked as well. So I'll go to student@gmail.com, copy paste, test, login. Quickly go to modules, assessments, and when I click here, you'll see my 2 submissions. And if I click on the second one, you'll see this is where I got 4 points for this question that I got wrong in the previous one. And the good thing is that we keep track of all your submissions. That means that if you feel like the lecturer did you wrong here, you still have this question to go show him that, hey, wait, I thought this was that. This is how you do it. And then yeah, you can continue taking tests as many times as you want, right? And you saw when you logged in as a lecturer, you can also see the memorandum. In case you are confused with a few questions, you can go to the memorandum and see how it is and resubmit. And then notes as well. So since I'm logged in as a student, I can see notes and I can see all my fellow students in class. I can see all my lecturers, right? Yeah, that's it. Thanks.